Do you ever think about the ingredients that actually make up our blood? Well, first, let me start by saying this. Our blood is actually composed of a liquid portion and formed elements. The liquid portion of our blood is called plasma. Plasma actually makes up 55% of our blood. One of the main jobs or roles of our plasma is to pretty much take and transport nutrients and proteins and hormones from the blood to the rest of the body. So plasma is the liquid portion of the blood, and we have three formed elements called red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Now, together, that's four components that make up our whole blood. The red blood cells, they actually carry a protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is actually a pretty protein because it gives our blood the red color. These red blood cells, or RBCs or erythrocytes, they actually are continually produced in the red bone marrow. So one of the main roles of the red blood cells is to carry oxygen all throughout the body. Okay, so white blood cells are the formed element portion as well of our blood. They actually really help with fighting infections and diseases. They are larger than red blood cells, but they actually have a lower count, a lower amount compared to red blood cells. Okay, so the plasma, or the liquid portion of our blood, is 55% of our whole blood, and it's also 90% water. I will discuss blood cells, they are important to me. You see, they originate in the bone marrow, you see. RBCs, WBCs. Alrighty guys, so now I want to talk about platelets. Platelets are also one of the formed elements of blood. Platelets are tiny cell fragments or cell pieces that form blood clots and help with blood vessels when they get torn. They pretty much can stop bleeding. So just to try to summarize everything we've learned today, our blood consists of a liquid portion and formed elements. Both of those together create whole blood. We have the liquid portion, which is called plasma, and we have three formed elements: red blood cells or erythrocytes, white blood cells or leukocytes, and platelets. They all have significant roles and functions that we need to survive. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.